Now it's time to talk about dictionary. Dictionary uses, there are simple and complex, key and value. So let's create first dictionary here. Gonna call it world capitals. Dictionary uses curly brackets. So there is key, there is value. Let's say Athens. Next, let's say Rome. Next, let's say Paris. Should be older usually. And let's say something else. Okay. File save. Save. Let's say I want to print now. Print. What do I want to print? I want to print world capitals. World capitals. Would like to print Athens. Also, I would like to print something else. Let's say Troy. I'll save it. I'll save this dictionary and I'm gonna be running the file. Okay. Very good. It was simple, basic. Basic dictionary. Basic dictionary. Here will be complex dictionary. Advanced. Advanced dictionary. Advanced dictionary is gonna be next. Parentheses. However, in curly brackets, curly brackets. So, first of all, it's gonna be name. Rome. Comma. Age. Value, let's say is 3000. Now comma. let's say 4000. Let's say 2000. I've got here Paris, let's say. Paris, let's say something like that. Okay. I'll remove comma from here. This is another type of dictionary. Now I wanna print something. Print what? I want to print cities. I need to say what exactly do I want. I want to print, let's say, 0, 0. I want to print age. Let me see. How it's gonna be playing. Save. Let me run it. Okay, here's the advanced dictionary, 3000. Now I want to print something else. Rome was 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's print 2. 2, and I want to print same age. I need to save my file. Okay. All good. So this is basic dictionary, advanced dictionary. Now let me check it again, what we've done here. We created basic dictionary with curly brackets. Key value, key value, key value, key value, key value. Okay. Then we printed some members. Then we created advanced dictionary. As you can see in parentheses, curly brackets. However, it's already combination. Key value, key value, key value, name key, items value, age key, age value. That's it. That's it for the dictionaries.